Hey loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Winnie Jean. If you're new here and if you're returning, then hey girl, how you doing? Right now is giving very much mop, is giving very much mushroom. I'm kind of not mad at it though. I don't hate it. However, we have other plans for today. I'm doing a really cute half up, half down quick weave hairstyle. I've actually not tried this hairstyle before, I don't think. So it was really fun to try something new. Right now, I'm just going ahead and prepping my natural hair. I parted my hair into 4 different sections, and these are the sections I'm going to use to blow dry it. I'm going in with the It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In as my leave-in conditioner, and as a heat protector, I use the Miel Organics one. I'll link it down below if you guys want to go ahead and grab it. I have been loving this product lately. I feel like it really protects my hair, but it's not super heavy, so when I straighten my hair, it's nice and flowy and bouncy still. Love her down. I still haven't ordered a new blow dryer. The part where I add the attachments to my little round brush blow dryer finally broke, and I have to get a new one. So comment down below and let me know what your favorite blow dryer is, because yeah, it's very ghetto over here. And I need to order a new one ASAP. So I went ahead and parted out the section in the front of my hair where I'm gonna have my ponytail. And now I'm going ahead and adding braids to the back of the hair where we're going to do the quick weave. I ended up putting 6 braids in the hair and sewing down the ends in the very back so it was nice and flat up top. Your install is only as good as your base with sew-ins and quick weaves. You can cut a couple of corners and not do like 20 braids, but you still want to have it not be like lumpy. You want your base to be sturdy and as flat as possible. My hair is kind of thick, so I went for 6 braids. If your hair is a little bit thinner, you can do less braids. If it's longer or thicker, you can do more braids. Adjust it to your liking and find a technique that works best for you, but don't cut too many corners, girl, because we do not want a lumpy quick weave. Now to protect my hair from the glue, I'm using the Bold Hold Liquid Gold. I like using this instead of the traditional quick weave protectant because it dries a lot faster. It's black owned and it's alcohol free, so I just slather her all over my wig cap. And you have to make sure your cap is 100% dry before you start laying down your tracks, because if not, it is going to lift 100%. Today's video is sponsored by West Kiss Hair. They sent me over 3 bundles of Brazilian body wave in 18, 20, and 22 inch in the color Natural Black. I went ahead and washed them already so we can get right into the install. Y'all know I like to pre-wash hair if you're familiar with my channel, and if you're new, why are you not subscribed yet? We are too deep in the trenches for you to be acting brand new. Hey homegirl, subscribe and make sure you turn on your post notifications. How you doing? I'm starting off with the bundle of 22 inch, and I'm laying my first track from one side all the way around the back to the other side, and this is going to allow us to do a low ponytail if we absolutely need to and have it look as natural as possible. I don't care what hairstyle I'm doing, whether it be a quick weave or a sew-in. If I have to lay some tracks, I'm always going to do this one track at the bottom because it's a game changer. Now once we have that first track laid, I'm going in and laying the track straight across, going all the way up the head. Now normally I would lay all of the tracks right now, but what had happened was I had a family event to go to and I ended up finishing my hair in a hotel room, but that's another story for another day. Okay, so I went ahead and added a little bit of the John Frieda Frizz serum to the front of my hair so I didn't have to pack a bunch of products with me. And then I threw my bundles and my flat iron and my glue in my bag and dipped out. So now we're here, and I'm going ahead and continuing to lay those tracks from side to side, going all the way up my head. I ended up using the full 2 bundles of 22 inch and 20 inch in the back, and then I used the 18 inch for my ponytail. And once I got a little closer to the top, I stopped going in a U pattern and started going straight across. So our quick weave in the back will be super flat and easy to cover with our ponytail. to? Come say hi. You don't want to? Last track dance. So I'm laying the very last track as close to my part as possible, and then I'm going over everything with my blow dryer one more time to make sure that the base is nice and dry and none of the tracks are going to be falling out as I'm combing through the hair. And like I said earlier, I think this is my first time trying this hairstyle. I've been trying to do new things lately. Who is she? I don't know. But so far so good. I went in with a little bit of the John Frieda Frizzy serum and my 1-inch Babyliss Pro flat irons and straightened everything out.
Bro, what is you doing? Hey, YouTube. What's up, YouTube?
I only got that serum, but it ain't gonna do nothing to your hair.
What is this for?
It helps your hair get straight and stay straight.
I took out one of her pieces.
Alright, so this is what it looks like once I have the entire back flat iron. She's nice and silky. I'm going in with the blow dryer and straightening out my hair a little bit with that before I go in with my flat iron, just so I don't have to use as much heat and pass through my hair as many times.
YouTube. Get this video to a million likes.
Like and subscribe.
Having my family around when I was filming this video was so funny. Like, maybe I can do another video where I have one of them come on and like try to do my hair, or I do their hair. That would be fun. Looking back at this footage, they had me cracking up.
YouTube?
Yeah.
Oh,
What y'all say?
I'm sorry. I didn't know you was on YouTube.
You can say hi.
Oh, like, wait a minute. I came in here and did like this. I said, oh, then she said I can say hey to YouTube. I do not know how to use flat irons to curl my hair. I don't know how. I messed it up. And I got these. I don't know how to do it.
Yeah, that's my favorite thing to curl my hair with.
Yeah, I don't know how to.
You gotta just bend it a little and then
I
drag
tried.
it
Then it'd be like,
through. Yeah.
see, I do this, right? Ooh, wait. I come down and I don't come all the way.
Right there. Yeah.
Oh. I'm sorry, I don't know. So I bend it once and then go like this.
You just bend it once and drag it through. People trying to bend it and bend it and bend it. You just
I
bend it
do.
once and slide.
Girl, you done just taught me something.
Just one bend and a slide.
I didn't know. She taught me how to curl my hair with the flat iron. Oh God, I messed up there.
Hold on. You gotta slide a little higher.
Okay.
Now bend it.
Right here?
Yep.
And then just go. I didn't know. I thought you had to do something else. Maybe I need to be watching your channel.
Yeah.
And I just thought it, and Lisa do it so quick. I'd be like, what is, and I said, I can't.
All right, so I have all of my hair straightened, and honestly, I almost curled it and stopped here. It looked so good, but we're gonna go ahead and push through because I have a vision, okay? So I played around with my leave out a little bit to figure out where I wanted my ponytail to sit before I went ahead and separated out my baby hairs. And now I'm going in with a little bit of edge control and kind of molding everything into place with my rat tail comb and a brush. Now I'm doing a little mock ponytail. Essentially, I'm putting one ponytail in my hair and then I'm gonna smooth it up even better and then redo the ponytail. I was watching a bunch of tutorials and that's what all the girlies were doing. So I'm going in with a little bit of the My Sticky Little Secret melting spray, and I'm using that as like a holding spray or a spritz. And I'm spraying it on my hair, brushing everything into place. And then once I have it exactly how I want it, I take the original ponytail down and redo it. I had to do it a couple of times until it was perfect, but eventually I got it right and she was cute. I didn't bring my little mini flat irons with me, so I went in with my 1-inch flat iron and gave my edges a little curl before I laid them down. And I'm not gonna lie, I don't know what was in the water this day or if I should start using my 1-inch flat irons for my edges in general, but I have not had a baby hair day this good in a minute. Like, can we just have a moment for these baby hairs? Like, okay, come on, Miss Winnie. I was gonna do a little bantu knot because honestly I was starting to get a little lazy again, baby. I kept almost quit on this hairstyle, but I decided to go ahead and push through. So I'm braiding down my ponytail and then I'm using that bundle of 18-inch and wrapping that around the base of my ponytail and pinning it into place with some bobby pins. I used a little piece of the hair for the ponytail to cover up that like track at the base. and this look came out so cute. It looked super natural, and I'm definitely trying this hairstyle again. Me and my family had a time this weekend. I have a vlog coming out next week to catch you guys up on where I've been, what's been going on, and all of the things. So make sure you're subscribed. I love the way this hair came out. All the details are in the description below if you guys want to go ahead and check it out. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, babes.